Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Monday, April 30. The Norman Manley International Airport NMIA has introduced a solar system that both reduces the carbon footprint and draws less power from the public grid to supply electricity to aircraft parked at one of its terminal gates. The solar-powered generational facility has been installed at NMIA's Terminal Gate Number 1.
Some benefits of the IKO Solar Gate project includes elimination of carbon dioxide emission resulting from jet fuel-powered onboard engines and traditional ground power units, reduction in greenhouse gas, and approximately 53,000 kilograms annually, reduction in incidence of health problems from particulate matters in fossil fuels, thus promoting a safer work environment.
The Solar at the Gate pilot project is the first of its kind to offer zero carbon dioxide emissions. It's an initiative of the International Civil Aviation Organization, United Nations Development Program Global Environment Facility. The Senate has begun its deliberations on the new road traffic bill. The legislation was passed in the lower house with 131 amendments on February 6. It seeks to repeal and replace the existing 1938 Act and will establish new offenses as well as provide increased penalties for breaches. On Friday, Leader of Government Business in the Upper House, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, piloted the bill and introduced a 38-page list of amendments. While lawmakers debate the bill's clauses, Senator Johnson-Smith is appealing for road users to exercise greater care to prevent more fatalities from traffic crashes.
Because of this culture of indiscipline on our roads, however, we also need our long outdated laws to be in order, to ensure better order and the enforcement of order on our roads.
There were 321 deaths from road crashes in 2017. Government is eyeing the export potentials from recent tests at the University of the West Indies, which have revealed that the oil extracted from Jamaican ganja has a 94% purity level. Ganja oil is the major ingredient used in medicinal ganja projects, one of the fastest growing industries worldwide. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw says the UWI's test results presents good possibilities for Jamaica as the world average of ganja oil purity is 70%.
Jamaica ahead again. 94% purity. That is our gold. That is one of our gold. We're talking about medicinal ganja. Extracting the oil using sophisticated machinery and extracting the oil from the ganja plant. And that oil is a major ingredient in a whole range of medical products being manufactured all across the world.
Minister Shaw was addressing farmers at a sensitization meeting in Manchester recently. He said samples from the test had been sent abroad for further testing to be validated on an international scale, which would allow for exportation of the Jamaican ganja oil. The Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation will soon launch a program that is aimed at enabling adolescent mothers to complete their secondary and tertiary education. It's called the A-Stream Program, Advancing Secondary, Tertiary, and Remedial Education for Adolescent Mothers. It was announced at a recent JIS think tank that the program will be launched on May 26 at the Center's 40th anniversary charity ball to be held at the Jamaica Pegasus. Director of Field Operations at the Women's Center, Beverly Martin Berry, says the aim is to empower young women.
So the program is what we will say threefold. We'll be focusing on mentorship, sponsorship, and scholarship. The aim is to pair 40 girls with 40 women to be mentored by these women. We're seeking to have 40 girls being sponsored with a total of $40,000 as bursaries so that they can enable the process of reintegration into the formal school system.
The program will be rolled out across the island in September 2018. And finally, for the 5th year running, a number of tertiary students in Western Jamaica will receive bursaries and scholarships from money raised at the Mobay City Run. This annual charity event primarily provides scholarships for tertiary students facing financial challenges, but support is also given at the high school and early childhood levels.
We have seen where we have changed the lives of many students coming from many depressed communities, sometimes they are the first ones in their families to get access to tertiary education.
And the good thing about this is that we don't hold these applicants to any binding agreement to say that they must give back, because really this committee is a spirit of volunteerism.
The Mobay City-run organizers were speaking at a recent JIS think tank in the second city. They revealed that over $15 million has been disbursed since the event's start in 2014, and this year's goal is to raise $5 million in support of students at 1 secondary and 4 tertiary institutions. The 2018 staging is slated for May 6 at the Old Hospital Park on Gloucester Avenue. Starting at 6 a.m., 5,000 participants will compete in 10K and 5K races. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.